says, the Venn diagram above shows the distribution of 30 science students. So let's draw this Venn diagram. It's provided in the book, but I'll draw it here so we can see it on the video. We have two circles. In the first, we have the number 9. In the center, we have the number 3. And to the right, we have the number 15. This is surrounded by a rectangle, which in the corner we have the number 3. And we see that this circle is butterflies. And these are grasshoppers, so I'll put grasshopper. Okay, so back to the question. The Venn diagram above shows the distribution of 30 science students who studied butterflies, grasshoppers, both or neither. What percent of the students studied butterflies only? So this is a percent question. And if you remember from when you first learned what percents are always equal to part over whole times 100. So what is the part that we're looking for here? Well, the question asks us to find the percent of students that study butterflies only. So based upon the Venn diagram, we see which number represented here, the 9, the 3, the 15, or the 3 here in the corner, represents students that only study butterflies. That would be the 9. It's the 9 because the 9 represents the only value that is not associated with any other group. The 3 here would represent both butterflies and grasshoppers. The 15, grasshoppers only. And the 3 would represent students that studied neither of these combinations or individual groups at all. So the part we have found is 9. Now the whole represents the total number of students from which the 9 students studied butterflies only. So that whole number is given to us by the question, and that number is 30. So we divide 9 by 30 in your calculator. You will find that, and we can even simplify that here, that 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 30 10 times, which gives us a fraction of 3/10, which is equal to a decimal of 0.3. The last part of percents, once you've simplified this fraction, is to multiply by 100. And we see that 0.3 times 100 is equal to 30%. And of course, you can do all of this in your calculator. But there is our answer, 30%. So don't forget, percentage is equal to part over whole times 100.